Lucky Star is the title of a new collection from our friends at Blue Fern Studios. And let me show you what's included. Now, this is the kind of the title sheet, but they do make use of the space and give you a printed pattern on the back side. Now, in addition, there are 20 different sheets, and I'm going to show you each one, and you're going to get 2 of each. So you can see Lucky Star, so you see moon. There's just some beautiful artwork through this whole collection, and you can see the deep colors and just absolutely very starry-eyed. And there we go, more. So just a lot of different elements are brought in here. And of course, this is just like on back of the cover sheet. You can cut these up to make really fun borders. And the 8x8 size will work for cards, mini albums, lots of things. Now, in addition, I counted this sheet as a cutout sheet. And so in total, there are 50 cutouts in this collection. And as I said, you're going to get 2 of every sheet. So I counted these as individual borders, not individual items. There you go. Love the colors, love the artwork, very fun. And there we've got a part of the solar system. And then we have more of the cutouts. And then to go right along with this set, there's the last one, there are die cuts. And these die cuts, they call them an ephemera pack. And there are 29 designs. Now, you can see them on the website, of course. We have imagery. But I think it's sometimes nice just to see the size of them, especially in relation to the other elements. So I'm just pulling each of these in. There are a couple of moons, which I have to confess are my favorite. And as you can see, so you're going to get some things with words, you're going to get some imagery. These are, of course, single-sided, as all die cuts are. You are magical is what this is saying. You can see some florals, some more imagery, dreamer. So all of this is included in the die cut set, which is matching perfectly with the Lucky Stars papers. All of it available now at paperwishes.com.